Hello everyone, I'm a dancehall artist. Radikkal is my stage name. I started music in 2016. I've done a few songs at Icon Studio. I've done most of my songs at Digital in Glenora Masindi. And I've done a couple of songs at DKT. Okay, I'm here to talk about Zimura. Zimura is an association registered in 1982 in terms of the copyright act, 26.05. The main function of Zimura is to promote and to protect the rights of the artist. They also offer representation and guidance to enter into contract. Membership of Zimura entitles you as an artist to royalties and also free funeral cover. Okay, for more details about Zimura, you can visit their website. Zimura membership I encourage you all artists to register with Zimura. It's taking your musical career to another level, and your musical journey will be much more meaningful. I am registered with Zimura, and I am empowered to police all users of music. Anyone who plays music in the public, at their premises or businesses, they must have a license. So I encourage you all artists to play a role in promoting music and safeguarding our interests as artists. I want to big up all artists. I want to big up all our fans. I want to big up Zimura for protecting our interests as artists. Thank you, Zimura, for your initiative. Your existence gives us legitimacy.
Radikkal on the beat. Dancehall, dancehall, dancehall. Zimdancehall takes over dancehall.